Yes. Good morning. It's me, once again, Specialist Murphy, United States Army, coordinate the YouTube sponsored by jurisdiction only. The comments here, information is not solely expressed by the Sheetmetal Associates legal business. There's no affiliation with YouTube other than use of their jurisdictions for communications here to the public or for the public. Here we are private sole proprietorship. Here still remain Pittsburgh, California for the past going on now 8 years since 2012, October 22nd to be exact. Here, our digest blog version, we thank YouTube, although, like I said, we thank them every time we get a video project across to the public. And here, complete for this video is this session. Last video, we had highlight for the case Murphy versus AC Transit. We're here to finish that video. We were cut short time. Video was I think we had a power failure there. Camera went out. But here we're going to continue the AC Transit case. As defendants at AC Transit, Specialist Murphy. In its civilian sense, there's Murphy versus AC Transit is continued here today on our digest blog sessions. PR relevant. There's company Sheetmetal Associates, a legal advisory and document company. Thank you very much. We're going to move on here where we left off. I believe we had shown you the case here. Shannon Murphy Sr., AC Transit. This was a complaint of personal injury jurisdictions here. Form number there, POD PI-001. Revisions, January 1st, 2007 forms here. Complaint, personal injury, property damage, wrongful death. Okay, now our case number here is as follows. Romeo Golf 12625-796. Appropriate jurisdictions here. We're at Superior Court, California. It's the Fallon Street, Oakland, California. Jurisdiction Renee C. Davidson Courthouse. Again, this is filed in Alameda County, April 13th, 2012. Summarize the event here. We had a situation where a coordinate incident, Point Richmond, California. Murphy was attempting to ride, boarded the 72M bus at Tewksbury in Washington, over there off of Washington Street, Point Richmond. The bus driver, of course, his protocol routine walk to the back of the bus for inspection of the bus's condition. There, move forward through the coach to the back, past the rear door, and suddenly fell flat straight on his stomach. Lifted up his head, his hands, stated, "Help me," quote unquote, "help me up." Murphy gets up, moves towards the driver, approaches him cautiously, turns at an angle, pivots his body and at a perpendicular. His arm squats down in an appropriate lifting position. Squats down. Does not put his hands on the driver. Waits for the driver to reach up, put his hands on his shoulder, and apply pressure as he raised up. Murphy raised up using an appropriate lifting method, raising from his squatted position, raising up his knees up to an upright position, standing. And as he was lifting, the driver simultaneously applied pressure to the right side of his shoulder, causing a back and hip injury there to the torso in the back hip area, and causing a pinched nerve or a back injury. As in totality, the Murphy proceeded to Hilltop Chiropractic, where he was treated there. Of course, the attempt to get an attorney or provide an attorney was recommended, and then also influenced by Hilltop Chiropractic. Although the case was not rendered appropriate, he didn't take the case. Was very, very rude in a sense there. The driver filed, went on workers' comp. Murphy filed a claim. And what happened was, claim was denied. I says, what? The driver failed. Asked the man to help him and denied the claim. We're here today. Well, their lawsuit is filed. They had the audacity, the nerve to hire their attorneys. They had their own attorney jurisdictions here. It was AC Transit Legal Department took the matter. Here, AC Transit Legal. I don't know, the claim was subject here over here at Alameda County Contra Costa. Alameda Contra Costa Transit District here off of Franklin Street in Oakland, California. At that time, Shannon Murphy Sr. in Richmond, California. That date was sent out on August 3rd, 2012. Of course, the appropriate claims jurisdictions, again, was denied. Here are the interrogatories. Murphy took place here, participated, and answered all these questions. Interrogatories are questions the attorneys, defense attorneys in this case, answered or inquired of him, Murphy, there. Again, the case was appropriately served by the Alameda County Sheriff's Department there. It was served on May 15th, 2012 at 11:50 a.m. They served the legal assistance here at AC Transit Risk Management Department. The case was assigned arbitration, rudely assigned arbitration there. Mediation was more of a factor of arbitration. It was a denied proper arbitration. They used this 6-month bull crap, I'm going to call it, in order to get a judgment dismissal on the case. Like I said, this case was an outright outrageous disgrace. Alameda County Superior Court, and then also disgraceful, very disgraceful jurisdictions here at the AC Transit jurisdiction to allow such a denial of the claim, primarily very, very rude, knowing that their driver asked this man, asked the patron to help him up and was injured, and now you're going to deny the claim? How rude, absurd. We're going to definitely have a demonstration on this pretty soon. So AC Transit suggests you hightail your behinds, your coaches, and whatever you got, because I'm guarantee you, when I get this congressional inquiry taken care of and I get this matter back in place, Special Murphy, we're going to get down. I promise you, they're going to be presidential intervention here. There's going to be government intervention, and we're going to get this case taken care of. We're going to have people down in Alameda County all over City Hall and in front of 1600 Franklin Street, and we're going to get down. So I suggest you relocate that case, AC Transit, because you're in Mess Creek. Because we're not going to stand for that. Your driver ass that fell on his face, on his stomach, in the back of that coach, asked that man to help him up, and which he did. And he's a hero now, and you're going to sit up here, and he got hurt, injured by your driver, and you're going to sit up here and deny his claim? Outstanding. Anyway, you're up subject to a multi-million-dollar lawsuit when this all goes down, and I don't like you. Specialist Murphy, this is straight from the heart. We're going to get down again, AC Transit. You best believe that. Here, Specialist Murphy, at Jurisdictions Now, here, our digest blog. Disgrace, I got to take a little break here. We're going to subject you of a little view of our executive office here. Beautiful Pittsburgh Marina area. But we are going to get down again, AC Transit. We're going to highlight some more about this video later on. I'm going to give you a blow-by-blow commentary on what goes on public, Contra Costa, Alameda County, the world. The AC Transit is a disgrace to the transportation divisions here, our country, United States of America. And that comes straight from me. Disgrace. And I'm not going to stand for it. Your driver asked that man to help him up. You were wrong. Amen. We're going to get down later on. Like I said, I'm going to keep you posted on this case of public jurisdictions here regards YouTube, if available. And I'll see you guys later. Here, Specialist Murphy, United States Army, a.k.a. also Murphy of case name Murphy versus AC Transit. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay safe. Try to stay at home as much as possible. That COVID-19 stuff is still going on here, and I don't know. I don't see an end to it. Got a mayor has tried to request that to be resolved so we can get people back to work. You guys take care in there. Hopefully, I'll say a prayer for you guys to get back to work and everything goes well. But AC Transit, hey, something's going to change. I promise you. Specialist Murphy, United States Army, here at Sheetmetal Associates, Digest Blog. We're out.